Hello friends, welcome back to Dream Degree Abroad. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I am going to guide about the complete application process of University of Naples Federico 2. University of Naples is very good university in Italy, and you can apply with 60% marks and without any application fee and without IELTS. And this university has very high acceptance ratio, and there are many bachelor's and master's programs that are taught in English, so you can apply for English taught programs without any application fee, and you will get the regional scholarship there, so must apply in this university. Now let's talk about the degree and programs. So they offer 3 years bachelor's degree and 2-year master's degree, and there are many programs that are taught in English, and there are many master's programs that are taught in English. They also offers the double degree programs and single cycle master's programs. Now let's talk about the application process. First of all, go to the official website. I will share the link in the description, so you will come directly to this page. So a page like this opens, and there are many programs you can see here, and you can apply in your desired program. Remember, every program has the different application process. In some programs, you have to send the required documents to the coordinator on the given email, and in some programs you have to fill the application form and then have to apply in the desired program. So let's suppose I choose a master's program, economics and finance. So click here. The program is open. Scroll down. You can read the details that are given here, and then scroll down, read admission and prerequisites. Then there will be the link given at the end of the page. In case you might not found any link given at the end, so it means the program is not open yet. So click on this link. After clicking the link, a page like this opens. So here you have to fill the LMEF application form. So click here. The application form is open. Here you have to enter the personal details, your name, last name, your birth date, email address, nationality, and then add your address, your street, then your city, postal code, and then mobile number. Then upload the required documents, type of document, document number, and file of the document. Scroll down, and now upload your CV, then official transcript of PS degree, and then certificate of good working knowledge of written and spoken English, then other relevant documents if you have. Then submit this application form. Now let's suppose I want to apply in the autonomous vehicle engineering program. So click here. It has the different application process. So a page opens. Scroll down and click on the link given at the end of the page. Click on this link. After clicking the link, a page like this opens. So now here is the different application process. Here I have to click on this link to apply. Click here. After clicking the link, so a page like this opens. Here you have to enter your personal data, your surname, your name, date of birth, place of birth, and then country of birth, then nationality and your gender. Fill them and click on the next button. Now you have to enter the detail of your bachelor's degree, your bachelor title, bachelor duration. Like in Pakistan, there is 4 years bachelor's degree, and then academic institution from where you have done your degree, and then bachelor's degree in progress or completed. Then click on next button. Now enter your grading scale, minimum or maximum, you can say ChatGPT to convert your grading scale. And then bachelor certificate, upload your bachelor's degree certificate, then your CGPA, then click on next button. Now comes requirements. English language, whether it is your medium of instruction or certificate B2, C1 or C2. Then have you taken at least 12 ECTS in mechanical engineering disciplines during your bachelor's degree? So yes or no, then click on next button. Next is further information. How did you hear about us? Friends, social media, advertisement, online search, university website, and then other. So choose whatever you have, then click on next. Now comes required documents. These documents includes copy of passport. Here you have to upload the copy of passport. Then transcript of records, that includes CGPA. Here you have to add file. And next is English language certificate from your university. Then add file. And then your statement of purpose. Your statement of purpose should be strong and authentic. On the basis of statement of purpose, your chances of acceptance is high. Then add file of SOP, and then comes letters of recommendation. You have to add file of letter of recommendation. After uploading all the required documents, you are done with your application, and then you can submit your application by clicking on submit button. And remember, each program has a different application process. In some programs, you have to do pre-enrollment and send documents to coordinators and receive the acceptance letter. And in some programs, you have to fill the application form. So this university has very high acceptance ratio. Must apply in this university and study in Italy with fully funding. Hope this video will be helpful. If you have any inquiries, then feel free to ask. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and also visit our website dreamdegreeabroad.com to know about the latest scholarship opportunities around the globe. Thank you.